In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add events to Notion Calendar. Notion is an incredibly powerful tool for organizing everything, from your personal life to complex team projects, and its calendar functionality is no exception. Adding events is super simple once you know the ropes, allowing you to keep track of appointments, deadlines, and important dates all in one place. So let's dive right in and get your calendar populated. Step 1. Open your Notion calendar. First, open Notion on your desktop application or through your web browser. Look at your left-hand sidebar. You can either find an existing calendar page you've already set up or create a new one. For this demonstration, let's assume you have a calendar view page ready to go. This page will act as your central hub for planning, displaying all your entries visually by date. Step 2. Add a new event. You have a couple of easy ways to add an event. Click directly on the specific date within your calendar view. A new page will instantly pop up ready for input. Click the blue New button at the top right of your calendar database. Both methods achieve the same goal, opening a fresh Notion page where you can detail your new event. Step 3. Fill in event details with your new event page open. Start by giving your event a clear title at the top, like team meeting, doctor's appointment, or project deadline. Use the date property to select a specific date for your event. Toggle on Include Time if it's a specific appointment. Add an end date if it's a multi-day event. Add other useful properties you've set up, such as tags for categorization, work, personal, urgent, status to track progress, planned, completed, postponed, relation properties to link to related project pages or tasks. These properties make your calendar powerful, searchable, and highly organized. Pro tips: color code events using tags for quick visual identification. Use recurring events for weekly meetings, workout sessions, or subscription reminders. Combine your calendar with a dashboard view to see events alongside tasks, notes, and projects. Utilize filters to focus on specific projects, teams, or priority levels. Step 4. Save and view your event. Once you've entered all the details, simply close the page. Your event will now appear beautifully on your Notion calendar, ready for tracking and management. You can click on it anytime to edit details, add notes, or change the status. And that's it! Adding events to Notion calendar is quick, flexible, and extremely useful for managing your time efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more Notion tips, and let me know in the comments what other Notion tutorials you'd like to see next.